everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Disson, and today I am going to be showing you the luxury scent box. I was sent this to review on my channel, but all my thoughts and opinions are my own, and I just want to show you and tell you about this subscription box. So if you're interested in seeing the scents they sent me to review and all my thoughts and opinions on their service, then just keep on watching. Get into this unboxing or whatever, which I have already unboxed, but I just want to show you how it pretty much comes. It comes in a little like package thing like this, envelope I guess, and it's like, it's kind of like a bubble wrap almost already. And then you pull your luxury scent box out and it looks like that. And then it comes with a couple of cards also. It's just like how to open it and its instructions, and it has your like luxuryscent.com on the back of it or the front of it, and then it's like a thank you, becoming a membership, and then it also says things to do and know, rate your fragrance, share love for luxury scent box on the back of the card. And yeah, here's what the box looks like, and you open it like so. It's kind of like a magnetic thing, and that's what the inside of the box looks like. Says explore your scents, find your luxury one fragrance at a time. And this service, they sent me 2 months worth to review on my channel. It is a $15 subscription a month, and it's like niche and luxury scent fragrance box. It's a subscription box for men and women. They also have cologne and stuff too. And it's free shipping, and it's month to month, as in like you can buy 1 month and not buy the other. Like if you don't think you'll use a whole cylinder worth of product a month, you think you need less than that, then you have the option to not get it sent to you every month. But that's what the little thing looks like, and you'll have one of these a month, not two. They just sent me 2 to review. It comes with a little case like this, a little velvet one. It says luxury scent box, which I have it upside down. And that's really nice, so you can throw in your purse and not have to worry about it. And the first scent that they have is, well, here's what it looks like. I'm going to show you on the other one. Here is what it looks like. It says luxury scent. And it can come looking like this or this, but they open the same, and that's how to open it. There's your little spray thing. All you have to do is spray like so. That smells good, y'all. And how to open it is you twist it up, and then you simply just pull up, and that makes the product come out. If you don't do it like that, it's really hard to come out. So it's easy to come out if you do it the right way, but it's hard to come out if you don't do it that way. But anyways, this is the Glace by Juicy Couture, and it's made in the USA, but that's what the product looks like. That's inside of the little packaging. And I'm going to look up what the notes of this actually is, because I'm horrible at saying notes to scents, and I'll be right back. Viva La Juicy Glace, I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I'm not correct, but it's by the Juicy Couture line. All the travel size, or all the scents you will be getting in these little cylinders will be 9 milliliters, and it says description, Viva I don't know, Viva La Juicy Glace by Juicy Couture. This fragrance is a limited edition with notes of frozen mandarin, frosted cassis leaves, not sure about that, pear sherbet, jasmine, orange blossom, vanilla, amber, and sandalwood. And it's like a fun and flirty scent. And yeah, I think that scent is a very nice scent. If I had to pick out the fragrance that really hits me in the nose the most, it would have to be the orange blossom part of it. It just smells so fun and flirty. I mean, it's a really nice smelling scent. And yeah, but so that was the first one they wanted me to let you know about. Just looked up this product, and it says that this perfume from Ulta is a regular $76 perfume, and it's a 94% positive reviews out of 805 people of reviewing. It comes with 1.7 ounces of perfume in the regular size bottle, which you get 9 milliliters, so that is 0.30 fluid ounces that you get as a sample, and the $76 one is actually 1.7 ounces. So if that helps you out any. And let's go to the next perfume. So you open it like normal for this one, and you pull it out after you twist up. And this scent is the, if I'm pronouncing it right, is the Bonjour Senortia by Tous. And it is made in Spain. And the notes are, and I'm going to insert a picture right here. The notes are instant paradise with notes of pomegranate, I can't pronounce that, iced mango smoothie, raspberry, Moroccan, coconut milk, and Java, jasmine tea, tropical woods, patchouli, and vanilla. And it smells like a exotic and fruity. Yes, it definitely smells like a, I would say fruity, exotic, but whatever. Tropical woods would be a great note to say that stands out on this perfume. It is a very nice scent, and I'm so glad they sent it to me because both of these perfumes smell absolutely wonderful. It goes for $39.45, and it is a 1.69 ounces. And like I said before, you get yours in that sample size, and it has 0.30 fluid ounces. So both of these perfumes together, if you just get the full size bottle, would be over $100. So you could potentially get a $70 perfume or even more for only $15 a month. I think this is a great service, especially for people like me that don't wear perfume that often. They don't have like where it's like a you have to get the subscription every month. You can cancel at any time. I think that's great. So when you actually do, like, for example, you're only getting one of these a month, but for $15 instead of paying like $70 something like this perfume was of the Juicy Couture one, instead of paying the $70 regular bottle price, you only have to pay $15. So you're saving a lot, especially if you're not using a whole bottle of it within the year, because it does expire. Perfume does expire. So for people like me, this is a great option. And you can cancel anytime. So you can get it bi-monthly or whatever. I mean, they don't have bi-monthly options, but you can just, you know, get the one-time subscription, and when you run out, you can just get another shipment, if that makes any sense. And they also have it where when you go on their website, they have like this perfume quiz to know more of like what scents you like. If you like flirty scents, if you like exotic scents, if you like fruity scents, if you like musky scents, or whatever type of scent you like, then they can put you in those categories of what to send you. And you also can like tell them what perfumes you have liked in the past. That way they can put you in a category. They'll just send you products that is close to it, if not the one you actually asked for. But they have so many different perfumes to choose from. I will actually have a lot more info in my description box below in case I'm not making as much sense to you because I kind of just start to babble. But you can check out my description box, and I actually have the website down below, and I also have the links to both of these perfumes down below to the luxury scent line, so you can like copy and paste it if you want these exact scents in your luxury scent box. You will be able to see all that info below, and it will be easy for you. I know sometimes picking your favorite perfume is kind of hard. Like if you're at Dillard's and you're just sampling a bunch of perfumes, you sometimes get overwhelmed because you might not see that certain product that you saw in a magazine there. And luxury scents has so many different brands that they just make it a lot more easier, and you don't have to know a certain brand or a certain type of perfume. You can just kind of let them do all the work for you, and that's something I like. That's why I like other subscriptions, because they just take all the work out for you. You don't have to go into the stores and worry about if they have the product, if they have it in stock, or any of the crowds, or just having to talk to people and having great customer service. You don't have to worry about any of that. They do all the work for you, and they send it to your door, and you're saving money if you don't wear like a ton of perfume and you want to switch up the scents every month. This is the perfect service for you. Additional benefits to this service, like this packaging, it is so travel friendly for the purse, for your purse or wherever. You don't have to worry about it knocking over and spilling out like on most of your other perfumes, or breaking, because it is really sturdy. As you can tell, like I said, it is really hard to take out if you don't do it the right way. Like it's not coming apart, but it's really easy to take this off. And this is what they actually send you in the box after your first box. So the first box, you're going to get one of these things, and it's just a cylinder to protect it. And you will get a new one of these, like it's like seasonal. They'll give you a new cylinder to put your perfumes in. But if you get it monthly, you can just get these as refills. So that's really convenient. So I know I said this before, but the best thing about this service is no obligations. Like, it's month to month, no contracts, no commitment, and you can cancel anytime. That is the best part about the service that I find. So if you're interested in trying this luxury scent subscription box, I totally encourage you to do it. Like I said, no commitments, month to month, cancel anytime. And a good thing is they sent me a promotional code, and I'll have it in my description box below, but it is Valerie Disson, all caps. And if you click on that link that's down below and use that as your like promotional code, then you will get $5 off of your first box. We'll make it $10 for your first month. And like I said, you don't have to pay for shipping, so that's great. So if I had to choose between the two perfumes, I would definitely have to go with this one. It is such a wonderful scent. It is the, I want to say Glace, but I'll have it on the screen with the perfume bottle again right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But it is a beautiful scent. I absolutely love it. It is the Glace Juicy Couture perfume, and that's what the little thing looks like from them. But yeah, it is just such a beautiful scent. I love it. 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 Yes, so I'm gonna be smelling really flirty all day now. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed this little luxury scent subscription box and all my thoughts and opinions on it, and also liked seeing what they sent me and what they have to offer. As I said before, a lot of information about this service will be in the description box below, so go check it out. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!